Is your photo mode missing on TikTok? Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial and fix this. Go to Settings first and then on General. Click on Software Update and make sure you're on the latest version of your operating system. Next, go to App Store and search for TikTok and make sure the application does not require any update. My TikTok is showing open here, which means the app is up to date. If not, it would show update instead of open. Go back to your home screen and then open the TikTok application. Click on the plus symbol and you can see TikTok will show you the duration of video that you want to post while posting, and if you slide a little you will see an option for photo. Click on that and you will be able to post photo on TikTok instead of video. You can also choose multiple pictures to post. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.